up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that.
Right about now, this is something like when I do with your phone, when I do a reaction video, and absolutely love it. You know what I mean? Me soon comment down and say me for do more, me soon like up the video and all them good stuff there. So me decide to just do some more today. So right now we have some failed video. I find the video on the net, so me I go just react to it right now. So no more talking, no more this, no more that. We just go watch the video right now. Up it in, up it in. Hey brother there. Man, I eat the baby food.
Did you try it? Babe, it has my breast milk in it.
And what that? Yo. Look how the man kick his board na girl lady.
Get them.
Yo, I always want one of them monkey, you know.
Oh my god. Did you get that?
I always want one.
What did you say? You're a duck?
Mad partner. Hey man, thump out the wall. Hey man, thump out the wall. Yes man.
Oh!
Macaroni.
Sorry.
This can't go good, you know. There is no way this can go. Yo, alright, slap you. Hold on, I got dirty up, you know. Be a mud. Yo, the neck they broke. Yo, the neck they broke. Look at man. Yo, you can't tell say man get beaten in the door just what me look oil, you know. Watch out. Yo, that's slapping man in the head like oil, G. Lego no. Why you gonna do it again, G? Watch your little baby. Watch your little. Ain't lucky at that alone. Watch out. Blood! I apologize, guys. I apologize. Yo! This man, the head nearly lick off.
Oh, just lost a drink.
Watch out. You fling them out. Oh, Lord. Suppose she broke.
Oh my god.
It's a bread.
Oh.
Damn. Yo,
Jesus.
you couldn't feel me feel this one, no. What kind of drop that?
Robbie, first 13 kill.
You're supposed to stick broke. But somebody a laugh. Watch out. Yeah man, go on my yes. Yo! Watch out. Watch the puppy. It's never a good idea. Not a good idea. Slap them one in there. Chain and fence.
Oh, I got that on camera too.
Take away phone. Yes, man. Yeah. Why you not do that, brother? Man, I 20 the penguin. That boss. Yeah. Me don't know where up is though. The dog I eat that to jump down. Brother, gee. The floor was high. What's on? Me know something like that got me, you know.
I can't stop it. You gotta slow down some. What are you doing?
Watch out!
Where's Clark? Over here.
Somebody a fly off again, mouse. You would have just get up and drop in her head. Jesus Christ, what a 1 year is some wicked. Yo, man, you drop up Jesus Christ in John.
Family trip.
Ja, slide. Pitney. She most mad. She didn't swim around there, yo. Suppose a goat bite the baby. This one you near me head, Jesus.
5 kilos, so that's 10 pounds. Tommy, don't, you gotta hold it. Oh my God. Punch it.
Thump out some of the face now. Be. Yes, slide. Slide.
Let me get inside you. I love them. Let me put them on. You are so thoughtful. You didn't shoot out my sunglasses, huh?
She pop you off. The brother is psycho.
Oh, they both fell.
Yeah, man, in Camellia tired, man. Just want rest. Somebody get kicked down. Watch out. Fatty on the trampoline. This must boss. He must boss. Yes, he must boss. Yeah. And she's surprised. You must slap. Blood, whoa, the one the wicked. The little one, the wicked little one. Do one fling where little pitney. They support that drop off. It's up. In your belly.
The cliff is eating Gabby.
We're talking with you. Encouraging you. Hudson, you got too many sticks, buddy.
Yo, the dog, shut up. What kind of cord dog that? Where you use your hand? Jesus Christ. Brother, move your head from this and the dog. This can't go good. Who a fly off? Who a fly off? You wouldn't know somebody a go fly off, you know. Man punch fly off. Who a drop? Now we know. Acha. See don't you hold like band. And that's the end of the video. So that's the end of the video, people. You know what I mean? Some clip be funny than some never funny at all. But you know, it's just a little video. We come here, we have fun. It's just a video for you upload for today. You know what I mean? When you see more reaction, me get more reaction video. But you know what I mean? Me I wanna watch it, me same time. So I like say me can watch a video and say, yo, that one is funny. Me I go react to this for me G's them. No, me can't do that. Me have to just watch it same time. You know what I mean? And just react same time. Cause if me go watch it, or me I go react to it again. What me I go do? Fake react to it again? No, so it don't make sense. So me don't know if a video go lame, me don't know if it go funny, me don't know what in the type of video they where me I go react to. You know what I mean? So some go better than some. Me just gonna clear warning from now. But blessings and respect for forward out and check out the video. You know what I mean? Me there, up it. Remember to like and smash the subscribe button. And remember, like how we talk, you know, comment down below in the comment section. Just leave some nice word, encouragement word. Not only for me, but just put it out in the universe for other people and for yourself. Blessings and respect.